Now let us derive the equation of deformation. Okay, for example, let us take a bar which is subjected to tensile force or compressive force P. Okay, then the stress developed in that bar will be sigma is equal to P upon area A. Stress will be equal to del L upon L, and the modulus of elasticity will be equal to E is equal to stress upon strain itself. Okay, so these three equations we have, and from these three equations we can derive the equation for deformation. Okay, here modulus of elasticity is equal to sigma upon epsilon E. We can write sigma is equal to force upon area A divided by epsilon strain is equal to del L upon L. These equation can be written as P into L divided by A into del L. Okay, I think you all are understanding very well. So these can be modified as, see, we can take del L here, so we can write del L will be equal to P L upon A into E will go here, so AE. Okay, or this equation can be written as, see, P upon A is equal to stress. This is also can be written in this way, del L is equal to stress sigma stress L upon E. Okay, in the form of stress and modulus of elasticity. So these both equations are the equations of deformation. Okay, and these equations will be used for solving different examples.